Hey, and it's another beautiful day in Butterfly Land. And in Butterfly Land today, we are in Sweden. So, hello, Sweden. Welcome back to the Butterfly channel. Now, some people ask me, how easy is it to do a reading for yourself? And can you do a reading for yourself? Well, yes, you can, but you have to get yourself out of the way, if that makes sense, because sometimes the cards will have different meanings and you can't just focus in on all of the positive or all of the negative. You just need to get your brain out of the way, if that makes any sense at all, and just go on your intuition. Now, if you are talking like I am at the moment, then 9 times out of 10 your brain is trying to catch up with what you're saying, so it's not necessarily interfering in what you're actually saying, which is a good thing when you're doing readings. So I will attempt to demonstrate how you can do a reading for yourself, and you can identify the bits that are going on around you at the moment and the potential elements that will help you as well. So here goes, and good luck following it. What's going on around you? It's a bit like pulling teeth at the moment. Everything's going a little bit slow, which just about sums up what we've been trying to do today. Yep, got friends round who are trying to help me. The legal side of things and a bit of balance and karma's coming in. And the root of the issue is that I want to do a business, so I will be needing to sign contracts and sorting stuff out. But it's going to result in a major money transformation, so I know it's going to be very successful. Got to bring my cats out as well, so I need got to balance that out and sort them out so I can get here, and then woohoo, we're going to be flying high, so I know it's going to be successful. Got a few choices I've got to make here. They're all pretty good. They'll all get me to different places, but it's all around change. And there's something also I've got to keep under my hat, so I can't be telling you a lot about it at the minute, but it is going to be good. But basically a lot of this is around, and I said basically again, which is my favourite word, I've had enough and it's about time I moved on. So there's a line in the sand there. Now, that's my situation. My life path is there's money there for me. I've just got to go out and get it. Around my environment, there's also money there for me. So, and it's new money that's coming in. Hopes and fears. Now, around my work, it looks like I'm a little bit asleep. I'm not seeing things that are going on. And I'm hoping this is my other work, not my this work. But if it's my this work, I'm going to put it up there that it's all for the positive, because it is hopes and fears. And final outcome card on here, there's going to be money there. There's going to be prioritizing of money, and I just want to say money, which is always a nice thing. Few ups and downs getting there. And that one's a bit of a case of don't engage mouth before one engages brain. So that's always a bit of good sage advice. Final card I'm going to lay down here is a bit of reprioritization. So they ain't going to push that rock no matter how much they want to do it. They should just jump on their broomsticks and go round, unless they're doing lazy person's push-ups. In case they are, then that's a perfect place for them to be. But I hope you've enjoyed the reading today, and we're testing the glitchy cards now. Bye for now.